What's the meaning of aerate? Aerate. 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 The term aerate refers to the process of introducing air or oxygen to a substance or environment. This can be done through mechanical means, like stirring or shaking, or through the introduction of specialized equipment. The result of aerating a substance or environment is an increase in the amount of available oxygen, which can have a number of positive effects. For example, aerating soil can improve its fertility and ability to support plant life, while aerating water can increase the oxygen content and improve the overall health of aquatic ecosystems.